Hey, good morning everyone. It's Diane from Divas Creative Expressions. How's everyone doing today? It is finally a nice day here in BC. Outside my window. So I have an idea that now I can't get out of my mind. So I am going to do a live probably in about 10 minutes or so. And the title of the live is going to be Pour Your Pumpkin and Pour Your Christmas Tree. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get that all set up. It's either gonna be a massive hit or a massive fail. So we'll see, but you know what? The glory of paint, you can wash it off and start all over again. Okay, so stay tuned. I will let you guys know when I am on. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do this outside today because it's so brilliant. And I will also show you some of my tools that I have, really inexpensive things that you can use to keep the bugs and any dust and debris off of your projects while they're drying. Okay, take care. We'll see you soon. Okay, give me a few minutes. Bye.